Good afternoon, and welcome to part 2 of interracial relationships. This is the same painting that I shared with you in part 1. As you can see, it goes with the theme of black and white and the heart in the middle, meaning all races need to come together in unity. I have 2 poems that I want to share with you for this segment. The first poem is entitled, No One Called Me Colored. No one called me colored, and they didn't even notice the difference. I didn't form relationships in a segregated world with backward thinking minds. A rainbow of languages and cultures I grew up on to expand the capacity of my mind. Eating, drinking, laughing, sharing our thoughts together as we slept in the same house, helping each other solve daily dilemmas and heartfelt issues in our lives, giving each other a shoulder to cry on, a hand to help one another after they fall. Falling into concrete cracks of the past is not healthy for our future. Yes, the scars of poverty and financial bruises are more obvious within certain races, but haven't we all made poor choices that shorten the lifespan of our checking accounts? Isn't it about time we sit down at the table together and break global bread? Cross-culture, multiracial, interracial relationships and love is an exquisite treasure. Exhaustion has taken over me, and I no longer want to hear about what happened in 1953. We cannot thrive in a new internet world and keep threats of technological disasters from happening if we continue to spread hate. I don't want us to keep hurting each other and going to war over a battle that has already been won because no one called me colored. Point number 2 is vanilla or chocolate. Decisions I always dislike to make. Choosing one over the other is never an easy task. I always want both of everything. If I leave this one alone, will that one feel abandoned? Can I move forward without looking backwards? Will I go with the more obvious and acceptable choice? No. I'll do what I want to do and fulfill the desires of my heart. I want something else. I want something different and new. I'll create a modern flavor to taste, taking vanilla and chocolate into a swirl storm, blending and mixing it up until it's ready to be devoured, making a choice, not choosing a side. Harmony coincides. Time and maturity brings reconciliation. I am becoming immune and allergic to chocolate only. Sensitivity and hostility is persuading me to cook up an original dessert. I look up and around and decide to see myself in a vanilla sky. Thank you for listening to part 2 of interracial relationships, and part 3 will be coming to you soon from Painting and Poetries from Panties and Bras. Thank you.